Hey everyone, welcome back to Robovation Studio. In today's video, we're going to explore the basics of Arduino. We will cover how to install the Arduino IDE, set up your Arduino board, and make a simple LED blink. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Arduino IDE. It's the software that lets us write and upload code to our Arduino board. Official website, download the installer according to your computer and need. I installed for my Windows 11. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Arduino IDE. Let's make sure we have the necessary board libraries installed. In the Arduino IDE, go to Tools Boards Manager. In the Boards Manager window, type Arduino AVR boards in the search bar and click Install. This will install the necessary libraries for most Arduino boards, including the Arduino Uno. Now, let's set up our Arduino board. Connect the Arduino to your computer using the USB cable. Let's write some code to make the LED blink. Open a new sketch by clicking File New. The code is in description. Upload the code to the Arduino. Click the Upload button, it's the right arrow icon. You should see the uploading message in the status bar. Once the upload is complete, the LED connected to pin 13 should start blinking on and off. This tutorial. You've learned how to install the Arduino IDE, set up your Arduino board, and make an LED blink. Feel free to experiment with different pins and delay values. In our next video, we'll explore controlling a servo motor with Arduino. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Robovation Studio for more awesome projects. See you next time.